last couple of days, I was at a conference and I saw one of the CVP from Microsoft speak, and she said, our goal, Microsoft's goal, is to become the platform of platforms. So, like, we're going from Mother Earth to a universe, to a galaxy. I mean, we're going to a different level of definition. So, can you take an example of that you have lived in, maybe a decade ago? Where is that now, and how is that evolving?
Yeah, absolutely. One of the examples that I was super close to was the platform that we built at SAP called SAP Cloud Platform. Some of you may now recognize that as SAP's Business Transformation Platform, or BTP, right? But the whole idea there was, as SAP was starting to bring all these different cloud products together in-house through acquisitions, organically or inorganically, they needed to basically start making a common language, a common way of interfacing between these different applications if they wanted to really win the intelligence suite game, right? And they built this thing called the cloud platform. And the cloud platform was rich with a whole bunch of services, not designed to basically build any kind of apps, but take the domain knowledge, the domain expertise that's within SAP, and expose it out as industry vertical applications. These could be like extensions, these could be integrations, these could be like mobile applications, these could be IoT applications, this could be anything, right? It's kind of almost like creating those apps for your business gaps kind of a thing, right? So I think that was a very great story that SAP built, and it's basically served them very well. Another example I could think about is ServiceNow, right? You mentioned platform of platforms, and kind of ServiceNow's thinking was around that, right? They wanted to basically be the platform of platforms with the Now platform, right? And they recognized the power that they had in terms of managing all the workflows within enterprises. And they recognized the opportunity of creating a platform on top with the rich ecosystem that they had to now basically go ahead and allow users to define their own workflows that could span across multiple different systems. So that's an opportunity where you take your domain expertise and translate yourself into a platform, right? A third example I could think about is what Ingram did with Xvantage, right? They took their domain knowledge of 40 years of reseller channel business and they converted it into a very rich platform called Xvantage. And now they're opening it up for the ecosystem to basically build their own value added apps on top of it. So these are the different things where, a platform story emerges organically when you spot the domain expertise you have and the value you can basically create by extending the domain expertise to your ecosystem.